Hola chicos, it's Miss Pau here. I just wanted to share a few updates with it being el 8 de marzo, or the 8th of March. This Friday the 10th is a due date for the next unit. Keep in mind you can redo and review any assignment for a better grade. I generally update grades either late in the evenings or early in the mornings. So with that being said, I want to remind everybody that online courses are semester-long courses. So yes, we're going to have a Q3 date come up next Thursday, and Q4 is going to start on the 20th. However, we have just a coursework grade. So Q3 runs right into Q4. So let's say Q3 comes and you have a B. You can work that B up to an A. You can work a C up to an A, and so on. So just keep in mind coursework's an 80%, and there will be a final exam that is 20%. So looking into the future, May 31st, so it is March, April, May. May 31st is going to be the last day for all coursework in this Spanish course. And please stay tuned for more info about the final exam. The final exam does not need to wait to be posted until May 31st. We can share it earlier on, so you can complete this class earlier. So let me know if you have any questions, and I hope that you're doing great.